Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be drafting a maxi skirt. If you are new to this channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, and to my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Right now we are going to be drafting this beautiful Kampala dress. We are going to divide our hips into 2 times 2. So that is what we are going to be using to cut out this lovely fabric. We are going to cut it into 2 right now. So I've went ahead to cut my fabrics into 2. Like I said, I make sure I times my hips times 2 to make it that beautiful pleats that we want to make around. So because the way my pattern is looking like, I went ahead to cut it into 2 so that I can be able to join the 2 sides together. I want it to stand straight. As you can see, I've went ahead to cut it into 2. My hips times 2 divided by 2. That is what I use to cut this out. So right now we are going to go ahead to measure everything that we have here. So I went ahead, make sure to measure yours. I've went ahead to measure mine. So this is what I have right now. So right now I'm trying to do the same thing for the length and the width to make it align very well. So right now I'm going to go ahead to pick the 2 fabrics together, then I will join it. Then I went ahead to cut this 2.5 inches fabric. I make it unfold. I folded it into 2. So if you are going to do yours, you can determine how you want your band to look like. This is what I want my band to look like. So right now I went ahead to measure my round waist into my round waist plus 2 inches. Yes, I went to cut my round waist plus 2 inches. You too can do yours depending on your measurement. So right now I'm going to go to the sewing machine. I'm going to pick the 2 fabrics, as you can see me doing right now. I'm going to pick the 2 fabrics and join it together. Make sure right side facing right side. As you can see, take your time to arrange it very well and go ahead and join yours together like I'll be joining mine together to give us that full fabrics that we want to use. So right now I've went ahead to do it like so. I went ahead to sew it together, and this is what it gives like. Right now we are going to pick that band, that your band waistline that you divided into 2. I was using 2.5 inches right here. So I'm going to go ahead right now and pick that band. You can determine what you really want. So as you can see, please follow what I am doing right here. So I went ahead to make sure I align everything together so that it will give me that exact thing that I want. So right now I'm going to go ahead and measure my round waist to determine what we are going to use on the 2.5 inches that we cut earlier on. So as you can see, I went ahead to measure it round. To see what it looks like. So make sure you do yours like so. So after doing all this stuff, I'm going to go ahead to pick my band. I'm going to pick my band right now. As you can see me doing right now, I've went ahead to pick this band. Then I'm going to align it together to see. Then I will open it up for us to pleat it on. As you can see, I've opened it on right now. So I'm going to pick my dress. I will start from the point, from the first point. I'm going to pick my dress and align it like so. I'll pick the right side facing right side. Then we are going to pleat. Right now, here you can determine to go in with your pleat like 1 inches or 1.5, depending on how full you want. So right now you are going to go ahead to pleat it like so. Use your pin to hold it down. After doing so, I will show you the final look of how I pleated everything together. So you can go ahead to do yours like so. Determine on what you want, how you want your pleat to be full. But right now, this is how I want mine to be. So as you can see, I've go ahead to pin everything down. So I've went ahead to my sewing table to sew it round. So I went ahead to sew it round on that band right now. So right now we are going to go ahead and pick the band like so. Then we are going to sew on it to cover that place that we pleated round. So you to go ahead and do yours like so. Make sure it looks neat and take your time to make sure it aligns very well together. So this is what I'm going to do right now. So after doing that, you see, so this is what I have. You see, as it looks so perfect and so neat. Look at how it looks so perfect and so neat. Right now we are going to pick from the other parts, and from the two parts we are going to go ahead and join it together like so. As you can see, I'll go ahead right now and sew from the down part to the front part. I'll sew it like so. From that part, I'll sew it down. Then I will leave my zip allowance. I will leave where I'm going to input my zip. So I'm going to go ahead to fix my zipper there. Then I'll go to the hem part of this dress and make sure I hem it like so, or so round. Then I'll show you the final look of this dress. So if you have watched this tutorial to this present moment, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. This is the final look of the dress. You can see how beautiful it looks like, and it looks very good. You can determine to use yours like this. You can determine to use any fabrics of your choice. I love you. See you. Bye.